Hello guys, welcome back to my channels. Apple's smallest desktop is about to get its biggest upgrade ever. The M5 Mac Mini is rumored to pack performance close to the Mac Studio, but in a body that fits in your hand. Today we'll break down the 10 biggest leaks, features, and the release date. Don't buy a Mac Mini just yet because the M5 Mac Mini could be Apple's most powerful compact desktop ever. With next-gen chips, Thunderbolt 5, AI features, and massive performance gains, this tiny machine might just rival full-size desktops. Today, we're breaking down the Mac Mini M5 leaks. Rumors, design, specs, release date, and price, everything you need to know before it launches. Why the Mac Mini M5 matters. The Mac Mini has always been the little computer with big power. From the M1 revolution to the refined M4, Apple has shown that size doesn't matter when it comes to performance. But the M5 generation is rumored to be something special, bringing huge CPU and GPU upgrades and, for the first time, serious AI acceleration built directly into Apple silicon. M5 chip power leaked specs. The M5 chip is said to be built on TSMC's advanced 3 nanometers plus or even 2 nanometers process. It's making it faster and more efficient. Base M5 Mac Mini 10-core CPU, 6 efficiency, 4 performance 12-core GPU up from 10 on M4, 25% performance boost. M5 Pro Mac Mini 16-core CPU, 12 performance, 4 efficiency 22-core GPU up from 20 on M4 Pro. Built for professionals and creators, both versions will include a redesigned neural engine for AI, powering Apple Intelligence features like smarter Siri on device AI tools and faster machine learning, rumored features you'll love. Here are the top rumored upgrades that could make the Mac Mini M5 a beast. 1. Thunderbolt 5 support up to 120 gigabits per second speeds. 2. AI first design faster neural engine for macOS features. 3. More GPU cores perfect for editing, coding, graphics. 4. Better thermal design, quieter, cooler, more efficient. 5. Compact power, same small form factor, but way more performance. 6. macOS optimizations, tuned for the M5 chip. 7. Pro variant option, closer to Mac Studio performance. 8. Affordable entry pricing starting at $599. 9. Future-proof ports Thunderbolt 5 and faster bandwidth. 10. Next-gen efficiency, more power, less energy use. Design rumors, don't expect a radical redesign. Leaks suggest Apple will keep the modern 2024 chassis, but upgrade the internals. That means the same clean, minimalist look, but with much stronger hardware inside. Release date, when to expect it, the million-dollar question. When is it coming? Most reports suggest late 2025, October, November, alongside other M5 Macs. But some leaks hint at a possible early 2026 launch, if production shifts. Either way, it's on the horizon and worth waiting for. Price expectations, good news. Pricing is expected to remain consistent with the current lineup. Mac Mini M5 Base, $599. Mac Mini M5 Pro, $1,399. That keeps Apple's smallest desktop one of the best value Macs for performance per dollar. Should you wait or buy now? If you need a Mac Mini today, the M4 model is still excellent and will serve you well. But if you want AI-powered performance, Thunderbolt 5 and 25% more speed, the M5 Mac Mini is worth the wait. So there you have it, the Mac Mini M5 leaks, price, release date, and top features. Apple's smallest desktop is about to get its biggest upgrade yet. So that's the full breakdown of the M5 Mac Mini leaks. Specs, release date, and pricing. Do you think this little desktop could replace the Mac Studio for most people, or should Apple go even bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If you're excited for the M5 Mac Mini, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps more Apple fans find this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'll be covering every new leak all the way up to launch.